Hello everyone, today I would like to do some presentation in here. It will be talk about linear neural network, but before we go into start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanki Shinovitsian, or you can call me Eza, and I'm from class A with NEM 2023-035. In here, as you can see guys, I already opened up my Google Colab with practice underscore 2.ipynb. I'm using this practice. It was the last practice at the university. Let's talk about the code in here, but I will be a little bit talk about the theory. For the first line is import library. Wait a minute, okay? I want to small this one and put it in here to make me easy to read all of that the code. For the first line, it was the import library. We're using import pandas as PD, import navi as NP. From TensorFlow, we import Keras, and from Matplotlib, we import PyPlot as PLT. If you guys notice in here, we have a different Matplotlib. We're using Matplotlib.pyplot at the Jupyter, but in here, we need to, from Matplotlib, import PyPlot and then as PLT. For the first, it was the regression. We're using the linear neural network regression. It was for the data of number. In here, I doing the data linear. We doing y equal 3x plus 2 plus noise. The noise is for the borders of the data. And random dot set 42. 42 is the largest or the biggest number of the random set. Then we're using x for the np random. We're using run in here. And for the y, we using a little bit different from here. In here, we're using 3x plus 2 plus np dot random 100, 1, 2. And we need to visualization. We're using PLT to create the visual, and the output is like this. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I'm so sorry, but I think I have nah. Okay, never mind. We will talk again about the later on. We're using model underscore len underscore reg equal class dot sequential. The class will be layers in here, and just ignore the warning. We're using model underscore len underscore reg dot compile. We compile the optimizer with SGD and loss MSE. For this one, we have the summary. The summary, as you can see in here, the model state is sequential, and the layer type is output shape with param or parameter, and then we're using null and 1. The parameter is 2. Then the total params is 2. It was 8.00b. The trainable params is 2, the same with the total params, and the non-trainable param is 0. It was 0.00b. And then we need to know about the history. The history in here is history underscore len underscore reg equal model underscore len underscore reg, that it will be fit. We're using the x comma y with epochs 100, and the verbose is 0. The verbose is for doing this, the practice or the listen. Then we will be knowing about the LLN regression. We're using W and B. The W and B will be equal with model underscore len underscore reg dot layers. The layers is 0, and the gateway is still just the hook in here. Then the print, we're using F. F for the legenda. What is the legenda in English? I'm so sorry, but I'm a little bit doesn't know about that. Then you can see the number in here. I will be just talking about this visualization. We're using X and Y label as the data asli, and the color in here is red for the line, and the data is blue, but it was just a default. So yeah, it doesn't have any kind of color to pick in here. Then as you can see, the PLT already show up, and the show up is like this. It will be a little bit different people by people. Like as you can see in here, it was doing grow up to the top, like from 0 to 10 and 30, and it will be say the W is 2.95. I made it circle, and the bias of the learning is B. It will be got 2.40. When we going to know about the linear neural network classification, we need to import again. We using from sklearn. For the first is the model selection. We import train test split. And for the second is sklearn.datasets. We import makemoons. In here, we using like as usual in Jupyter. It doesn't have a really different. We're using x underscore class. If you remember at the Jupyter, we're using classes, but in here you just need to type CLS. For this one is the x classes, y classes, and it will be make moons with an underscore samples is 1000 and the noise is 0 point 1, sorry. The random state is like before it was 42, and the y class is equal to y class dot reshape. We need to reshape it with -1 and 1 with the note in here is reshape for the class. And then in here we need to know about the split data. The split data in here is with using x underscore train, x train class, x task class, y train class, and y task class. It will be equal to train underscore task underscore split or train task split. We're using all of this with the size is 0.5 and random state is 42. The visualization will be using the scatter in here. The scatter is x class with 0 and 1. The C is y class flatten, and the C map or the PLT will be CMRD yellow BU. It was red, yellow, and blue. The title is Data Klasifikasi Bulan Sintetik. It will be make a moon shape, like a yin and yang. For the type in here, why it is using 0 in here but not in here, because we doing it in here, we using -1 first. The -1 is in here. Yep. Then we will doing the model underscore len again, but here is model len class equal Keras sequential with Keras dot layers is dense. The units is 1 and the activation is sigma. Sigmoid, if I'm doesn't wrong. Yep. Then you need to compile this and just ignore this one. It was normal. After that, the compile in here is the sequential one. The optimizer is Adam, the loss is binary underscore coarse entropy, and the matrix is accuracy. As you can see, the params is already in here. The params, total params is 3. It was it was 3, and at the inside is 12.00b. It's same as the trainable params, but it was different from the non-trainable params, it was 0. After that, we need to know about the last, it will be linear regression. And we need to using the epoch and the verbose in here. The verbose is using to make the lesson. The lesson will be doing as the verbose is run. If you type in here one, it will be make some type of longer type to listen, but it was still the same. For the loss accuracy, we're using the modeling class evaluate with X test class and Y test class with variable 0. And the printout is accuracy test with accuracy and accuracy 102V. And then the accuracy in here is 33.60%. And the depth, we're using depth plot in here to decision boundary. The boundary will be model X and Y. The X span and the Y span is NP in space. It has a same, but a little bit different at the X span. The X span using minus or min in here is 0. Sorry. And the Y span is 1. For the XX and YY, we're using mass grid. And the XX underscore YY underscore, we're using XX dot travel and YY dot travel. The grid is NP dot C with XX and YY underscore. The prediction function, we're using model predict grid. It has like this. Then the Z in here is the, sorry guys. Maybe I need to undo this. Yep. Z is the prediction function is reshaped with XX shape. And the PLT, as you can see in here, we're using red, yellow, and blue. The alpha is 0.5. Then we just need to call it up. The code is with using plot decision boundary. The model is model in class and model in class, X class, and Y class, and the output like this. It was the letters of the LNN. As you can see, it's still same as the classification and a little bit different from the background. The background has this kind of gradient. Not a gradient, it was a grid. And the last is here. Maybe just that I can tell you guys, I'm so sorry for the bad English in here. I just reading out the code. But if you want to know about all of these things, I already put at the paper and you can see at there. And the file of the practice too is already open up in there. Thank you guys. See you.